Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change username on the Rush Royale application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the edit button next to the username. Here you can find the second option, the change name, and click to the edit button. Click that and just delete this name and write your own name. And if you finish, click to the done button and click to the confirm. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.